Hello everyone, I am Praful Dikshit. Welcome back to my English language course. First of all, I wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May there be light, success and happiness in your life. In today's class, we are going to study one more example of formal letter. Letter to the newspaper editor will be seen in the next video. Letter writing is very important for all students. Students of 5th, 6th, 7th can write the body part of the letter in short. But the students of 8th, 9th, 10th or 8th onwards should divide this part into 3 paragraphs and give the expected details. All students should follow the given format and write according to it. Many important points are already discussed in the previous videos. In today's class, we are again going to see an example of formal letter. See the question. See what is asked in it. I am reading. The question is, a heap of garbage is accumulated near your locality. The dump is not only an eyesore, means ugly or unpleasant, but also a health hazard. Write to the Commissioner of Municipal Corporation describing the inconvenience caused to the people and requesting him to get the garbage removed immediately. The meaning of the question is, the heap of garbage is accumulated in your locality. The dump is eyesore. Dump is an eyesore. The heap is dangerous for health. You are asked to write to the Commissioner of Municipal Corporation describing the inconvenience to the people. You have to request the Commissioner to get the garbage removed immediately. So, this is your question. You have to write a letter about removal or disposal of the garbage from the place. This is my 5th lecture on letter writing and I am repeating this, that you must follow the format while writing all types of letters. So, let's follow the format of formal letter and start writing. First of all, we should write the sender's address. This is common in all letters. See what is written here. 37C Government Flats, Raja Jaising Road, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. When you write the sender's or receiver's address, please don't write the factual address if not asked. Okay, now leave one line. Then write the date on which you are writing the letter. I have written 13th November 2020. Then again leave one line and write the subject about which you have to write the letter. This should be of 6 to 8 words, not very lengthy. Here the subject is clearing the garbage. You can also write garbage removal or garbage clearance. Again leave one line and write the salutation. While writing a formal letter, we usually write sir, madam, dear sir or dear madam. I have written dear sir. Then put comma, leave one line and start writing the body part or content part of the letter. As I said, this part should be divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph should be introductory. See the first paragraph now. I am reading here. constraint means what? Something that is done against will. To bring to your notice that garbage is piling on a Raja Dressing Road near the government flats, and no clearance van is seen for the last fortnight, means 15 days. So this is the first paragraph. In this paragraph, the writer has introduced the problem. The reason of writing the letter is written or given here, means introduction is given. In the second paragraph, the details of the problem should be given. Please pay attention now. I am reading the second paragraph. The filth means disgusting dirt. Squalor means extremely dirty and unpleasant as a result of negligence. And stench means very unpleasant smell. Are creating havoc means widespread destruction here. In short, the sentence is the filth, squalor and stench are creating havoc here. The flies and mosquitoes have almost covered the area. Worms of all kinds are seen crawling everywhere on the ground. The air has polluted with the gases bubbling out, means rising, of the decomposed organic matter. It is becoming difficult to breathe in this stinking environment. The filth is getting scattered through dogs, pigs, and other animals. It is difficult to believe that this could happen in this place, which used to flaunt a smart and glamorous look. So, this is the second paragraph. In this paragraph, the writer has given all the details of the problem. He has brought to the notice of the commissioner several problems faced by people because of the accumulated garbage. The writer has written about the stinking environment causing difficulty in breathing. Okay, understood this paragraph? Now see the third paragraph. Are complaints made and petitions, means requests, submitted to the sanitary inspector and the health officer have all gone in vain. Garbage is exposing to us a great health hazard. There is every livelihood of the outbreak of any disease. In this paragraph, the writer has concluded the letter. See the last line here. I would request you to visit the place immediately and take effective action to clear the dump. In this way, these 3 paragraphs of the letter are over. Now, we have to write the subscription. As this is a formal letter, we should write yours faithfully and then the name of the writer. Here I have written Lakshman Tripathi. Yours faithfully, Lakshman Tripathi. Okay? So, this is the letter. So, in this way, we have completed the letter. I hope that you have understood this. With practice, you can easily write any type of letter easily. Once again, I wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Please maintain social distance and enjoy a lot. Happy Diwali. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.